Hello, this is George Senda, the real, official, authentic, original one and only the guy from Pittsburgh. And I went through 2 hours of Amazon call hell tonight. And finally, with the fourth or fifth person I talked to, they got my order right and got my cat food sent to me tomorrow. I'll tell you. Their computer system kept putting in my P.O. Box number into my address at my apartment, and that's why I didn't get my cat food today. So I really hate wasting time on calls with customer service people that don't know what they're doing, that should be fired. As the first one was, and the supervisor couldn't understand the concept of your computer system has a glitch in it. It keeps switching numbers from my P.O. box to my apartment. He wanted to give me a refund. I said, no, I need cat food for my cats. I don't want the money. I get money on Friday. Anyway, finally get my cat food tomorrow, I hope. Tomorrow I'll go get my turkey. All right, this is movie theater butter, microwave popcorn, 160 calories per tablespoon unpopped. Now, think about that for a minute. Unpopped means you're eating raw kernels. How are you going to eat raw popcorn kernels, federal government? That makes you put these nutrition things on here? Unpopped popcorn. I'm going to chew on hard as a rock. Popcorn kernels? I don't think so. All right, non-GMO project verified. This is Safeway'S, I guess, generic quality or whatever the hell it is, popcorn. I've never had this before. So let's see what it tastes like. And here is a... Oh, wait a minute. This video is brought to you by Little Girl. Hello, little girl. Hello, my sweet. And Little Girl is soft and sweet and gentle and never causes me any problems. Very, very soft and sweet and pretty. She is the pretty little girl. Yes, pretty little girl. Yes, my girl. My pretty little girl. Yes. When I cook the turkey, you get turkey. Yes. You and Fuzzy and all the kitties will get turkey. She is one of the softest cats I've ever had. Her fur is just incredibly soft. Okay, little, I love you. I love my girl. Probably I don't go back to the video. I'd be very happy to hold the girl for the rest of the night. Okay. When she's purring away too. Yes, I wish you would hear the purr. He's very happy. Okay, little, I love you. There she goes. Okay. Back to the video. She was sitting next to me, and I don't know if she wants out. I'll let you. Her tail is wagging, so cute. Okay, here we go. I put this on for 2 minutes and 20 seconds. The box says 1 to 4 minutes. Now, if I put anything for 4 minutes in the way of popcorn in my microwave, it will be incinerated. All the fire in here. All right. This is what it looks like. And you can see it got yellow kernels. Looks like movie theater butter. This is on sale for half price. I have no idea why. $3.99 normal price. I got this for $2. So I've never had it before. Let's try some more. It's not too crunchy. It is. Oh, that's good. It's salty and buttery. Oh. Well, a lot of microwave popcorn, Pop Secret, other things mediocre. This is great. Now, there's a problem. I'll show you. My microwave will burn microwave popcorn somewhat. But if I do it under 2 minutes, it doesn't cook it all the way through. This bag cooked all the way through, but there's burnt parts, or at least scorched parts, like this one. So I don't know what to do about that. But this is excellent popcorn, even so. I've been eating popcorn as far back as I can remember, to the age of 5, maybe even earlier. So I'm 67, so 62 years. A lot of popcorn has gone into my mouth and also onto the floor. It fell on the floor. So I don't know about texture and all that other stuff, but this is great popcorn. I like it, even though it does have a scorch sting because I put it in too long. But there are other popcorns, if I put it in for 2 minutes and 20 seconds, I have to put it in for another minute. It's not cooked, and then it burns. There's no middle ground. I have a very powerful microwave oven. So, thumbs up to the movie theater butter popcorn from Safeway. Signature Select. Very good. Serving size 2 tablespoons. Makes 3 cups, 3.5 cups pop, 3 servings per bag, and they give you 6 bags. I don't understand that either. Oh, per bag, okay. And let's see. 14% fat, 27% total fat, and then I don't understand this either. Per unpopped bag, per pop bag. Okay, there we go. Let's see, 4% fat, saturated fat 8%, trans fat 0, cholesterol 0, sodium 85 milligrams. How did it go from 85 popped? And it's 290 milligrams not popped. Carbohydrates 4 grams, unpopped 14. Has fiber, sugars, no added, including added sugars. Why do they have to add sugar to popcorn? No vitamin D, no calcium, no iron, 4% iron unpopped, popped it goes to 0. Potassium 2% popped it goes to 0. There's nothing in here where it's getting palm oil, popcorn, salt, natural butter flavor, and annatto for color, and may contain milk. Milk and popcorn? Not eating Cheerios here. All right, but I liked it anyway. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. I know every video my nose itches, my ears itch. Have a great night. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool. It is 11:22 in here. 11:20 by my Mac. And stay warm. It's definitely chilly out there. And I will catch you. Sorry for burping. Maybe burp. I also had my kielbasa, so that might be why I'm burping. Excuse me. Finally got something to eat. Stay warm out there. No more tea. All the tea's gone. And stay safe, and I'll catch you next time. This is very good popcorn. I'll have to buy it again. They had more on sale. Maybe I'll be lucky it'll still be there on Friday, although I doubt it. Somebody will grab it all. Bye-bye. I'm out of here. And bedtime. Bye.